stars in your eyes. Every doubt slowly said goodbye. Your laugh felt like a melody. Something in you awakened me. I've been searching through the noise, trying to hear my truest voice. Then you whispered my name so low, and suddenly I knew. I got your name in my heart tonight, written in love, written in light. No matter how far, no matter where you are, you're the reason my broken parts feel whole. Feel Your hand fits perfectly in mine, like fate was waiting all this time. Every second feels bright.